Have you ever wondered why poultry organic manure has become a game changer in agriculture? Today, we'll be uncovering why this natural fertilizer is highly in demand and why it's mainly packed during dry season. Poultry organic manure is a natural fertilizer made from chicken droppings. Rich in essential nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, it boosts soil fertility, promotes plant growth, and enhances crop yield. In recent years, there has been a shift towards sustainable farming practices. Farmers and gardeners prefer organic manure over chemical fertilizers for several reasons, such as cost effectiveness, environmental benefits, and improved crop quality. Dry season is the perfect time for packing poultry manure for various reasons, such as ease of drying, longer shelf life, and demand surge. Dried poultry manure is easier to store, handle, and transport. Farmers value its convenience, especially when preparing for large-scale planting. As agriculture evolves, the demand for poultry organic manure will only grow. With its natural benefits and sustainability, it's set to play a vital role in feeding the world's growth population. So, whether you are a farmer or a gardener, consider poultry organic manure for a greener and more productive future. Together, we can cultivate sustainability.